Cool 97 FM mourns the passing of DJ Slim. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. So it's a sad day for the staff and friends of Cool 97 FM after they are mourning the passing of one of their own colleague and friend, DJ Slim. So DJ Slim, real name Mark Williams, passed away just a few days ago, and this was according to a post on the official page of Cool 97 FM. And we at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to the family and friends of DJ Slim. So DJ Slim has not been well for a while now, and even though he weren't able to pursue any vigorous physical activity, DJ Slim remained on here hosting the regular Sunday night show Love Zone as part of his healing therapy. Although a fairly recent team member, according to a post from Cool 97 FM, he had already made his mark as a solid Cool 97 DJ who performed at the highest standard, filling the regular DJ and playing music across several genres, according to this post. And he was passionate about his talent and he loved members of the Cool 97 FM family. And I can tell you that this is a very sad and emotional moment right now for the staff and friends of this radio station. So he hosted his final show on the 12th of December 2021. DJ Slim was just 54 years old. May his soul rest in peace. And this information was actually gathered from the post from the official page of Cool 97 FM. And I can just tell you, we wish Cool 97 FM all the best and the family of DJ Slim, real name Mark Williams, because he was a very instrumental person that I would have listened to on numerous occasions on that radio station, and I can tell you that he will be sadly missed during that slot that he normally filled. So we just want to leave this here for now though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless, and much respect goes out to you the viewers for always continuing to support the movement of Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family.